Verifying your bank account is an important step to ensure security and access to your funds. Follow these steps to complete the verification process with the Bank of Fayetteville. Step 1. Gather required information. Collect all necessary information, including your account number, social security number, and any identification documents that may be needed for verification. Step 2. Access online banking. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, look for the section related to account settings or verification. This may be labeled as account verification, profile settings, or something similar. Step 4. Submit verification documents. Follow the prompts to upload or submit the required documents for verification. This may include a government-issued ID or proof of address. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Confirm verification status. After submitting your documents, check back in your online banking account or wait for an email confirmation regarding the status of your verification. This may take a few business days. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.